students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is find the solution of the given pair of linear equation by graphical method. So what we'll do, we'll plot this two equation in our graph. So how we'll do? First let's take our first equation. First equation is x plus y is equals to 4. So what we'll do, we'll put x equals to 0 and we'll find the value of y. So we'll put x equals to 0, y is equals to 4. So 0 comma 4 is the one of the point from which this line is passing. So to draw any line, we need at least 2 points. So one point we got, that is 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4 is somewhere here, correct? Now another point, this time what we'll do, we'll put in the same equation, we'll put y is equals to 0 and we'll find value of x. So we are putting y is equals to 0 means what we'll get? X is equals to 4. So another point is 4 comma 0. So another point will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 comma 0. So these are the 2 points from which this line is passing. So what we'll do, we'll join these two lines. We will join this. So what we'll do, we will join these two lines, correct? Let's draw a line. Okay, so we have joined this two line. Now we need to find another 2 points to draw this line. So another line we have is 2x plus y is equals to 7. Again, what we'll do, we'll put x equals to 0 and we'll find value of y. So x equals to 0, y is equals to 7. So 0 comma 7 is our 1 point. Next time we will put y is equals to 0, we'll find x is equals to 3.5. So this is our second point. So 1 point is 0 comma 7. 0 comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is our another point. And 0 comma 3.5. 1, 2, 3, 3.5 will be somewhere here. So line joining these 2 points. Line joining these 2 points will be something like this. So this is our point of intersection. Point of intersection will be our solutions. Our point of intersection is 3 comma 1. So 3 comma 1 is our answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.